Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be playing with the Pat McGrath Celestial Nirvana holiday palette. And yeah, I already did a look with it. I stayed within these two columns right here, which is her neutral columns, and today I'm gonna do a look using these two columns right here, which is her cool tone columns. So yeah, if you're interested to see what look I come up with, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So I'm pretty excited to play with this palette again. So like I mentioned in my introduction, I already did a look using these two rows right here, and now I'm gonna move into these two middle rows right here, which is her cool tone columns or rows, however you're seeing this. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to play with these tones, and yeah, let's get into it. So let's see. First things first, I already moisturized my face, and I did my eyebrows with nothing new. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ebony, and then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Powder in the shade Ebony as well. And then I carved out the bottom of my eyebrows and primed my lids with the matte paint pot in soft ochre, and then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. Per usual, nothing new. So yeah, now I'm gonna jump into the eye look. Not sure what I'm gonna be doing, but most definitely I'm gonna be using all the colors. They're so pretty, and of course you'll know I love purple. So yeah, alrighty, so I'm going to use a blending brush. I'm going to be using the Morphe R37 blending brush, which typical blending brush, and I'm going to dive into the color. Let's see, what is it? Fabulosity, which is a pretty name, but it's this purple shade right here, and this is Fabulosity, and I'm gonna run that through my crease. Picked up pretty nicely, and like I said, I'm gonna run that through my crease. Very pretty color. So that's what that color Fabulosity is looking like. Really, really pretty. Now I just want a light wash of this color because the other two colors are pretty dark. So yeah, this look can turn really dark real quick. So okay, so now I'm gonna grab a more tapered blending brush. I'm going to get this Morphe M43 tapered brush. As you can see, it looks like a shader brush, but more fluffy and tapered. And I am going to go into the color Violet Vixen, which is this purple right here. So I'm going to use that shade, Violet Vixen. And if I, just in case I didn't mention this, I am going to be doing a halo eye. I've really been into halo eye, and so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So anyways, I'm going to be using that color Violet Vixen in the inner and outer part of the lid. And I want to keep it on the lid. I don't want to take it too far up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pat the color first to get that intensity, and then I'm going to blend out the edges. Okay, so that's that dark violet vixen color is supposed to look like. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the Fabulosity color through my crease. I'm gonna use that blending brush with no additional product, and I'm just gonna lightly blend those two colors. These two colors are just like literally giving me mermaid vibes. I don't know why, but it's so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into that purple, the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just gonna try and softly blend it. Now, if it doesn't look too blended in the middle part, it's okay because we're gonna cover that with a different color. Okay, with this inner part, I'm just gonna leave it how it is because I don't want to take it too far up, because then I feel like I'm just gonna mess up the look. So I'm just gonna leave this like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going in with the shimmers. So I always use a glitter glue no matter what. So I am going to be using the Pat McGrath Labs Intensify Eyes Artistry wand, which is this right here. And I'm gonna be using this in the middle part of the eyelid. So I'm even gonna take it a little bit into the purple too, just so that the shimmer shadow that we're gonna go in with blends nicely. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna be going into the shade Aquarian Dream. So it's this baby blue color, and what I'm gonna do is use this, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe MM1. It's a very small shader brush, and I'm gonna grab that blue color, and I'm gonna use this right next to the purple. So like this. I'm gonna blend it into the purple. That's such a pretty shade of blue. And I'm gonna build this color a little bit more so it pops against the blue, the purple. But look at that, so beautiful. Wow, look at that color, so pretty. Alright, so right now I'm just really trying to build the color up. I'm not too worried about blending because we're going to do that at the end. So now that I've done that, now I'm going to go into another shimmer shade. I'm going to go into this pink color, which is Eternal Amour. So it's this pink, it's almost like a rose gold kind of color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that same brush, and I'm going into that blue, into that pink color, sorry. And I'm going to apply this right in the middle of those two colors. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use another brush because I don't want to mess this up. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Morphe x Ariel A18. This is a very small shader brush, as you can see. So I'm going to use this to go into that Eternal Amour color, which is the pink, and add it right in the center of the lid. I'm just going to use my finger to see. Your fingers are your best tools. Oh yeah, that color pops even more. You see that? So pretty. Those two colors, the pink and the blue, look so nice together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with that blue, and I'm going to blend it out with that pink shade. and blend it into the pink so it blends out nicely. Now you can, you know, assess the eye look, and I'm just gonna run with the purple shade a little bit and run it into the blue just so they blend a little bit better in this inner part as well. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm going to do this eye, and then I'll come back and show you how the eyes look like before I do the entire face. So hang tight. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to jump off camera. I'm going to do my face, do, you know, a liner, lashes, the whole shebang. And then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So hang tight. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I love how it came out. I really do. And I don't know, it's giving me mermaid vibes. I think it's because of the blue, the pink, the purple. I think it looks really, really, really pretty. The color that I'm using in the inner corner is this like lavender shade right here, which is called Lunar Lavender. So it's this color right here. That's what I'm using in the inner corner, and I really love it. Again, I used basically all the shades in these two rows right here. So from the purple down, and then from the baby blue all the way down. These two. And according to Miss Pat McGrath, this is a cool tone eye look. So yeah, I really enjoyed the color combinations. And in case you don't know, like sometimes it's good when they set the palette up for you in these like categories per se, because if you're not a visual person, you can be like, oh, okay, I can use this color with this color. Or if you don't know what colors go with what, it gives you an idea so you can create a look. So as you can see, all the colors play really nice together, and yeah, I really loved it. And yeah, also I really do enjoy these lashes, and can you believe they're only $1? Yes girl, $1. These are the Ioni 3D Faux Mink lashes. These are in the Natural Doll Medium. Side note, I know, but this is my first time trying out these lashes. I got them from Dollar Tree. Like legit, they're $1. And they look really pretty, so I'm like, you know what? Let me try them out. Girl, do you see? They're so pretty, and they're $1. So if you have a Dollar Tree, go check them out tomorrow when they open. So and they have many styles too, you'd be surprised. But yeah girl. Anyways, that's all for me today. I really hope you enjoyed the eye look. I know I enjoyed creating it, and I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.